So welcome students. In this question you're given two statements. Statement 1 is 10 identical balls can be distributed in 4 distinct boxes if no box is empty in 9C 3 ways. And 9 different places. If you have 9 different places, you can choose 3 different places in 9C 3 ways. So you're asked to find the validity of these two statements. The second statement is straightforwardly right, because if you have 9 different places, you can choose 3 different places in 9C 3 ways. So this is standard question. And if you take the first statement, 10 identical balls to be distributed in 4 distinct boxes so that no box is empty. So if you have 4 distinct boxes, so you have 10 identical balls, so you have to distribute them in these 4 boxes. So if you assume that x1, x2, x3, x4 are the number of balls that goes into each of the boxes. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 has to be equal to 10, right? This question is same as the number of solutions to this x1, x2, x3, x4, integer solutions. So it's given that no box is empty, so x1, x2, x3, x4 should not be equal to 0. So what is the formula for number of positive solutions to this equation? N minus 1 CR minus 1, where N is the total number of objects, R is the total number of boxes. So that is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9C3. So the first statement is also right. So both the statements are right, but statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. Thank you.